Hello everybody and welcome back to the den and this episode of Little Misfortune. We have found the key to the wolf's pen, so we're gonna go there and unlock it and see what the note says. There we go.
Time to meet the wolf.
Okay.
Come, Wolfie.
Don't get hurt by the wolf.
I got you. I'm a nice person.
Okay.
Wolfie? Ah, damn it. What scared him away? Why can't
I-
a little lamb stop the wolf?
Oh, that was unexpected.
Not to me. Animals usually run away from me.
That's too bad. But hey, the note is right there.
I'm
We'll-
gonna take it.
We let the wolf out. Okay, well,
It says, my evil cousin's address. Fox, Skogstigen 15. Open fields.
okay.
That's Benjamin's address.
Good. Now we can get that stolen happiness back.
Alright, sweet.
It looks like the fastest way to the fox is by boat from Phantasmagoria.
Wait a minute. Are you telling me we are going to Phantasmagoria?
It seems that way, yes.
Oh, sweet. I always wanted to go. Yes.
Alright, yeah. I mean, I remember her seeming excited about it, so.
Are you up for another round of questions while we walk?
Sure. My question answering skills are all warm up.
Great, great. And as usual, just be honest and you'll do fine. First question. Have you ever heard this question before?
No.
Nah, you mean this one? Yes, I have not heard that question before.
All right. Second question.
What the
Have
fuck?
you ever lied to a friend?
I mean, was the guy by the zoo a friend? Because if so, then yeah, we lied. So I guess yes.
I do it all the time in school. Charlene still believes my daddy comes and picks me up after
Oh, okay.
school. I just walk behind the trees and sneak home when she's not
If you
watching.
die, you do.
So sad.
If you say so.
Now, for the last question. Have you ever seen someone die?
I guess no.
Other than in ninja movies? No. They die in funny
Just-
ways in ninja movies. Don't tell mommy.
I won't. Thank you for your honesty again, Miss
Because the
Fortune.
question wasn't
We're getting really close to Phantasmagoria now.
Yeah, I can hear. Exciting.
because the question wasn't if she had seen dead people, if she'd seen people die, which I'm not sure she has. So I don't know.
What? This looks like the creepiest place to ever exist. So scary. I wish I had a ticket to ride though.
Really? But hey, what's that falling just in front of you?
Oh my god.
Please don't play with my feelings. It can't be a ticket.
Are you sure? It looks like a ticket to me.
It can't be, but I'll check it out. Is that a skeleton? Creepy.
Creepy. Okay.
What? A ticket? For real? So spooky. Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss Fortune. Now, let's go find a boat to the fox, remember?
A ghost. Damn, that's creepy.
Miss
She likes,
Fortune, please mind your language.
But I got scared. It's totally understandable.
That's no excuse.
Okay.
She seems to like creepy things though. No. Okay.
It says, welcome to Phantasmagoria. Thank you. A creepy clown? That's creepy.
Creepy.
Oh, balloons. I love balloons. Just so you know that I love balloons.
Okay, Misfortune.
Alright.
Hey, you, from the other side.
What?
Misfortune deserves to have a fun time. So try to make the right choices for her.
What do you
all
mean?
right?
My choices have been nothing but good. If you bring up the puppy, you're
I
screwed.
just have one ticket, so I can just ride one ride. I'm gonna look around first.
All right.
Sounds like a plan. Oh.
Ew, you know, once I
Whoa.
saw a documentary on TV about hot dogs. And now, I don't want to eat hot dogs.
Same. Ooh!
Sorry about that. I was just trying to pull your leg.
If you do it one more time, I'll just shut my eyes tight and see nothing.
Even made me jump a little bit. Why is it a fox? Yeah, okay.
This looks like Benjamin, but creepier and angrier.
A lot of people on stilts.
The mean children at school say that I have a pumpkin head.
I can see the reception.
Oh god.
The what?
Nothing.
Huh, okay.
Is it's round like that or yeah, I don't know.
Ah, the smell of freshly made candy is delightful.
Ah, yes. Too bad we can't afford any.
Yeah, too bad. I'm like starving. Check this out.
Oh my god.
That is really something, Misfortune.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I was gonna say those sounds were so guttural, but I mean they literally are. So I mean, okay. Oh.
Before we leave,
Oh.
Ah, yes, my
Oh.
ticket, of course.
Okay. So, wait, was the horror house the only thing I could go into? Because I have a. So I'm not sure I could go on the. Yeah, no, oh, there we go. Okay, good choices for her. Actually. Oh god, I feel bad. I'm very curious about the horror house. I am very curious about the horror house. Oh my god. My conscience. My conscience. No, we gotta.
Sweet.
is this the ride you want to spend your ticket on?
Yes, let's go.
Yes.
All right then. Have a pleasant ride.
Okay, let's go. Don't. Is that Hero? Ooh.
I don't feel so good. I'm feeling dizzy.
You think you're going to puke?
I don't want to, but the ride went too fast.
Oh lord.
It was fun.
All right.
Okay.
Take a deep breath and you'll soon feel better.
Okay.
Good, good. Now, let's go find that boat.
I don't know.
Okay, I'm okay.
Okay. I don't know how I Oh, Hiro. Oh. Okay. Oh.
There's a bunch of games here. Can I play one?
Oh, of course, you must play one before we leave on the boat. I just love it here, don't you?
Who doesn't? I want to play a game now.
He loves it here because it's only about killing foxes, right? Now with real bullets? Oh my god. Whack a fox. Fortuna. Oh.
Sweet, a fortune teller. Can I try this?
It looks like you need a reward ticket.
Ah, okay, so... Ah, and the balloons, okay. God, I didn't do this properly. Wait.
Mr. Voice, can I get a balloon? Because my mommy never gave me one. So maybe you can give me one.
Well, you know we can't afford any, but look! What's that?
A floating balloon! Fancy! Is it for me?
Yes!
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so can I grab it? Oh no!
Just my luck.
Oh, Misfortune, I'm sorry about the balloon.
Don't worry. Thank you anyway.
Okay,
Check this out. I can get a reward ticket if I win. I'm gonna play this.
Please,
Okay.
go ahead. I can't wait to see what it's about.
No, I think it...
Are these tiny foxes like Benjamin?
They're dangerous foxes. Pretend they all stole your eternal happiness and whack them, whack them.
Okay. Boing.
Oh my lord. Yeah, there we go.
Yes, I won.
Great!
We got
Well
it.
done, Misfortune.
Yeah, no, I'm good. Or can I get more? Oh, I can get more, it seems. Okay.
Boing. Oops. Sorry.
Okay. So how many can we get?
Sorry. Oops. Sorry. Head down.
I guess I could use my arrow keys for this, but I've just stuck to my mouse for quite a bit.
Sorry. Oops. Head down.
Okay. More reward tickets. Give me more reward tickets.
Boing. Head down. Boing.
Okay, let's stop that for now and we'll see what that gets us. Okay. Is this also a game? Yes, it is. Okay.
This one is free. I want to play it.
Oh, please do play it. Play it as much as you want.
I don't...
Really? Alright. Well, check this out. Now with real bullets.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. Ooh, my god!
I think I broke the game.
Oh, it's on
Like it.
fire!
Oh,
Oh, it's on fire! Oh my lord! Okay, run! Oh my god! So can I... Okay.
Sweet, a fortune teller. Can I try this?
Yes. We have more than one, so...
Hello, I'm Miss Fortune Ramirez Hernandez, and I want to know the future of me. Please, thank you.
Once you see the beyond sees you. And you can be sure it will be coming for you.
The beyond is coming for me? What's the beyond?
Want to try again?
No, I see a hay doll.
Nah.
And also unicorn wear.
Check those sweet rewards.
Ah,
A golden
oh.
chocolate coin, a cute tiny skirt, and a doll. Oh, sweet. Let's see what I can get.
I want this.
Oh, one of those dolls again. I want it. Reality will transform into what the child desires the most. Oh, really? Desire, you say?
We need
I
more
like
tickets.
What did you choose?
Nothing.
I need more tickets because I want the rest of that. Oh. Ah. Oh, it turned so cute! Okay. We're gonna get some more tickets. We're gonna whack some more foxes. Play it. So bear with me. I'll do this.
Check that out. I won all the reward
Oh.
tickets. I'm awesome.
Okay.
That's really impressive.
Win all the reward tickets. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. So, let's get the things from here first.
That golden chocolate coin looks delicious. I'll take that.
Nice. And obviously the unicorn wear.
I know who will look amazing in this tiny
Me too.
skirt.
Yeah!
There you go, unicorn. You look like a sweet little lady.
So pretty. Okay. Should I do the rest here then?
Yes, again.
What you see in the beyond is not what you see, but what you don't see.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Talk about crazy.
Want to try it again then?
Sure. I mean, I don't know if we need them
Okay,
for
okay,
anything else.
again.
So,
You are being lied to at this very moment. Trust me. Don't trust anything.
Oh, really? Who is lying to me? Is Benjamin lying?
I... No. Who?
Oh no, too bad.
Yes, poor little birdie. Maybe he was flying drunk. You know, like my mommy did once and crashed daddy's car. Like this little birdie crashed with its body, you know?
Yes, I get it, Misfortune. It's still sad.
It crashed.
I have a feeling Mr. Voice threw that bird into this fortune teller. Because she was starting to actually tell her something real, so to speak. Swan Lake.
It says you need 1 golden coin to ride the boat. Huh.
I got it. I got it. Oh. Okay.
Check this boat out. It's like a black swan. How cool is that?
Very cool.
Really, really cool.
Tell me about it.
Anyway, this boat will take you where you need to go.
You mean to Benjamin's house?
Yes, and it's just 1 golden coin.
I got this sweet chocolate coin reward. Is
Yeah.
that good?
I don't think that would...
No, see, it's fine.
Oh, look at that. Well, are you ready to leave?
That
This is
coin
going to be
packed
so
a punch.
cool. I hope we don't get attacked by pirates, though.
Or the Kraken?
What's a
Kraken. Okay.
Well, if you see it, you'll know.
But tell me, I'm curious now.
We don't have time for that, Misfortune. Just forget it.
Ugh, but now I'll think about it forever.
Yeah.
Ugh.
All right. Let's see.
Ah, Kraken, if you appear in front of me, I will see you. And if I see you, I will know it is you. See, Kraken, come up in front of me right now. Ugh, what's a freaking Kraken? Hey, this place is very quiet. Is one allowed to talk? Anyway, I was thinking, is the Kraken available for petting? You know, like some pet doggies, some pet kitties. I want to pet the Kraken, if it's
You do?
possible.
Okay.
Well, I heard you could lure it out with fish.
With fish, you say? Well, I don't have any fish on me. I guess
Should
I
I-
won't be petting the Kraken.
Oh.
Was that the fish from the bridge? I think he's happy because I saved him.
Oh, really?
Remember I saved him from the bridge? Remember?
Yes, I remember.
Did you see the kiss he gave me? On my mouth? Because he was in love with me. Because I saved him.
That's sweet.
Somebody loves me.
Aw.
Hey, Mysterious. Are you taking me now to the house of Benjamin? You know, that blue-eyed, soft, fluffy fox who happens to be a great artist and stole my happiness? You don't seem to want to talk about it. And why
I
is
don't think
that
he's
people
gonna-
like coins? That's how you pay for your rent and food, right?
I don't-
Misfortune,
I'm not
just
sure he,
leave him alone.
No, he wants to hear. Anyway, do you like to eat sushi? I know about sushi because I have a Japanese ghost friend. By the way, can you speak Japanese? I need some translations. Do you know what this means? Kiri wa doko desu ka? So you don't know, huh? You know, I have never been outside this late by myself. Do you go outside
I'll
by
translate
yourself
that.
this late every day? Are you going to eat my chocolate coin? Because I'm a bit hungry.
Ah, stop talking.
Ah, why should I stop talking? Nobody else is talking. Hey,
Oh.
Mysterious, where are you going? Oh no, can he swim? Hello?
That's what happens when little ladies ask too many questions. It makes people want to drown themselves.
Ah, stupid. I'm pretty sure he'll be fine. Look, we have arrived.
Oh, the music. Oh, that's eerie. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, we'll keep going for a little bit. Oh.
Check that out. It's the toy graveyard, I'm telling you.
Whatever
Yeah,
you say,
yeah.
Misfortune.
Yeah, it doesn't look too good. Also, what about the bones?
What time is it? It's getting really dark. Mr. Voice, are you there? Hello?
There's something wrong here. Something very wrong.
What's wrong, Mr. Voice? What do you mean?
It's coming. Hide. Hide.
I don't know what you're playing, but if you scare me, I'll close my eyes.
Hide? Oh, Hiro.
Hiro?
Is he what he says is coming? Oh, be careful now.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, damn it. My little foot got stuck.
What am I? Ooh!
It's the monster, Mr. Voice. Can you see? Can you see it?
Oh my god. Oh lord. Oh lord. Oh lord. Oh lord. Oh lord.
Leave me alone.
What are you running away from? Is it the fox? I'm pretty sure
It
the
wasn't.
fox.
That was not the
No,
fox.
it's the monster. I saw it again.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, I do. I saw it.
Oh, what is Benjamin doing?
Make any sudden moves.
Now we'll get up.
Your paws. So soft.
Don't touch her with your filthy paws, you beast.
Stop it. You're scaring him away.
He actually doesn't seem to run away. Oh, okay.
Don't
Never
let
mind.
Benjamin.
Alright. That will be that for this episode of Little Misfortune. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.